Hello student. Now today in this session of class 11th accountancy, we will be going to discuss about the accounting standards. Okay. Accounting standards are the basic instructions or the guidelines, the general instructions or the guidelines which are being followed by the accountants while preparing the books of accounts. And these instructions or the general guidelines are being issued by Chartered Accountant Association of India, that is ICAI, Indian Chartered Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. So ICAI is responsible for issuing this standard. So why these standards are being issued? What are the features of this standard? These are the general guidelines which are to be followed while preparing the books of accounts. These are only general guidelines and instructions which every accountant has to follow while preparing the books of accounts. Then the objective of providing the accounting standard is to bring the uniformity in the books of accounts. Uniformity in the preparation of books of accounts when we are following these principles will be, these standards will be maintained. Okay. Then comes these accounting standards are being prepared keeping in view the business environment of the country or the law of the country. So whatever is permitted by the law or whatever rules and regulations are prevailing in the business environment, how the business will be carried or conducted, on the basis of these things the accounting standards are being prepared. These standards are mandatory in nature. We have to follow these accounting standards while preparing the books of accounts, and these standards are also flexible in nature. These standards can be used as per the needs and the requirement of the businessman or the business organization, or where there are number of alternative methods used for doing the work. So which method is to be followed, and for this the accounting standards are made flexible. Flexibility होती है इनमें. Then comes the objectives of accounting standards. What are the objectives of accounting standard? The objective of accounting standard is to minimize the diverse policies related with the preparation of the books of accounts. Because there are various types of diverse policies which are being used while preparing the books of accounts. So minimize those policies. Then for the better understanding of the financial statement, if we are making the use of this standard, so it is assumed that while preparing the books of the account the following standards have been followed, so the understanding of books of accounts become more convenient. Then understand and significant accounting policies and apply them. We have to understand these policies and then we have to apply these policies. Then facilitation of the meaningful comparison. The meaningful comparison will take place between the financial statement of the 2 or more than 2 years if we have prepared the books according to the norms or according to the accounting standards. Okay. So this also creates the reliability in the financial statement. So these were some of the objectives related with accounting standard. Now what are the advantages of the accounting standards? What are the utilities of the accounting standards? So when we are talking about the advantages of the accounting standard provides the norms or the base on which the financial statements can be prepared. Okay. Accounting standard, they ensure the uniformity in the preparation of the financial statement. एक uniformity आ जाती है. Each and every accountant is supposed to prepare the books of accounts by following the standard. So the accounts books are prepared more or less in the same manner by each and every accountant. Then it creates the confidence among the users, the person who is making the use of this information or the accounting books. He is confident that all the informations which are being shown in this book and all the results which are being there in the books are true and fair, because these are being prepared by following the various accounting standards. Then it helps the auditor in doing the proper auditing of the books of accounts. The instructions or the guidelines which are being given helps the auditor, and he can properly assess the books of accounts or audit the books of accounts if he has got the knowledge of all these things. After going through the objectives, the advantages, now are there any limitations in this? इसमें कुछ drawbacks भी हैं, कुछ limitations भी हैं. तो yes, there are certain limitations in accounting standards. These are the man-made accounting standard. So there is no test which is being done on them, or they are not passing through any particular form of test. So these are the man-made accounting principle and accounting standards. So accounting standard, what it does, these are prepared by following the business environment of the particular country. So there are frequent changes which we have to follow. We are often seeing that these are the changes, and those changes are according to the requirement of a particular country. तो कंट्री के हिसाब से इनकी प्रिपरेशन होती है, और हर कंट्री का एक बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट अलग होता है. तो उस रिक्वायरमेंट को मीट करने के लिए अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड को भी हम उस प्रकार से बना देते हैं. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द ड्रॉबैक्स of the accounting standard. Okay, so accounting standards are basically a set of general instructions or the guidelines which are being given to the accountant so that he can prepare the books of accounts in a fair manner, true manner. So there will be uniformity in the preparation of the books of accounts. The user will have the confidence that whatever information is being shown in the books of accounts are true and fair. So this is the basic reason behind the accounting standard, and all the accounting standards are being given by the Institution of Chartered Accountant of India, that is ICAI. So hope this thing is clear to you, that what is accounting standard and what are the nature of accounting standard, what is the objective of accounting standard, and what are the advantages of preparing accounting standard, and what are the limitations of accounting standard. Thank you and have a nice day.